Do you ever experience challenges styling certain colors in your wardrobe? Mustard is one such color. Hello, my name is Tabitha, and this is where we get stylish in fashion, health and fitness, and travel. In today's video, we're going to look at 3 ways of styling a mustard top. In the first top, I'm wearing a mustard top with a blue jeans with a white and mustard detail, basically a stripe. I have a blue bag that complements the blue jeans, and I'm also wearing wedge shoes, black in color. I have a gold chain, just a simple look. And I will keep on my Maasai bracelet, which is blue in color. I also have my iWatch. So that's a closer look at the chain. You could replace that. On the second look, I have the same top, this time around with a checkered skirt. This skirt has brown and mustard detail. I will also have a brown bag, which obviously does go well with the brown in the skirt. And I also have black and brown shoes. The brown also appears in the skirt and bag. So that's the look. I have a chain. This chain happens to be mustard, dark brown, dark gray, and white. It's a magnetic chain that you can play around with. So you don't have to have one standard look. Depending on your creativity, you can change it. So you have many chains in one. So you have a brown bag, black and brown shoes, mustard top, and a checked mustard, brown, white details in the skirt. What do you think? So there, a change of shoes can make a difference because it will make the look a little more formal, but right now you can use this as a formal. In the third look, you have a leopard print with a YSL bag that goes well with the shoes. The shoes are black in color with a snake print. So the two go well together and they're both neutral. I have a leopard print detail on the chain that I'm wearing. There you have it. Would love to hear how you style your mustard. Drop us comments down below and subscribe for more.